welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we gotta go take Michael here to go get some more oil for his bike. Then we're gonna go wash the bikes. Then I have a plan. Probably tell from the title. I need to find out if my bike has titanium pipes on it. So I'm gonna go buy a blowtorch, and then we're gonna see if it changes colors. So yeah, just stay tuned. I can see how this is gonna go, because like I can't tell.
Forget about your tag.
What?
You have your fake tag on.
I know.
Oh.
I'm waiting on the bank.
What?
I'm waiting on the bank.
You have your real tag on you?
No.
Okay.
So yeah, about that. The bank has not, they messed up my bill of sale, so I can't register my bike because they messed up my bill of sale. Instead of 2023, they put 2022 on it. So I'm waiting on them to send me another bill of sale so I can sign it. And then that was so unfucking necessary, bitch. So yeah, the bank has not sent me my bill of sale yet. Even though they're the ones who made my bill of sale. I got it signed from the guy in Tennessee, and they were telling me, let's get this person to sign it, we'll sign it, and it literally said 2023 on it. Somehow it got changed. So somehow it got changed. So I'm just waiting on that to come in, then I can register my bike. But yes, I still have my fake California tag on right now that says fuck me. I mean, if I ever get pulled over, that's what I'm going to tell them. I'm waiting on the bank to send me my bill of sale so I can sign it, because there's nothing I can do really. So but yeah, once we get to where we're going, I'll cut the camera back on. Alright, so we're about to go to AutoZone now and get a torch for me, and we gotta get Michael some oil. Gotta need that beef Brady's. Baby bus. And we got Trent. Huh?
You got the car wash after?
Yeah.
I gotta wash it.
And then we got Trent. And we got another friend over there on another Gixxer S. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. It's like it's changing colors down there on the mid pipes, but it's not on the headers, which makes me believe that the headers are stainless steel, because they're getting like a black, like a darker black look to them, and the mid pipes are actually changing colors. Well, it's only one way to find out, really. So we'll get the torch and we'll see what it does. But we got to go somewhere in the shade because it is freaking blistering, bro. Like it's not that bad when we're moving, but man, you sit still at a red light, it is blistering. Y'all already know, if you're familiar with BMW bikes, these things are freaking hot. They get hot, boy. My last one idled at like in between 210 and 214. I don't know about this one because I don't keep it on that dash, but it's hot too. So we'll see.
We don't gotta get. Are you getting a
I'm gonna torch.
Y'all have blow torches? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hey, so overlooked it.
That's the nozzle. You gotta buy the gas.
They don't have the gas for it? Here's this one, like, it's for that one though. Sorry for that one. Maybe.
Yeah, you don't want that little one.
Yeah, no.
The little one.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. AutoZone didn't have it. Onward. Onward to Home Depot or Lowe's. God. Man, he scared the shit out of me. I thought he went down, man. I was scared. Well, I thought you went down. He scared the fuck out of me. I was like, oh fuck, where's Michael?
When you came on to me, I was like, fuck. So I instantly turned around. I really don't even know if I'm going to go speed because it's dead.
Gotta fill up the rust bucket.
What?
So you gotta fill up the rust bucket.
Yeah, I thought it was I didn't come on yet, but I was like,
Alright. Welcome back. So, turn your plans. So I got the butane torch, but it's about to rain outside. We were messing around, we got to riding. And I really wanted to do this first, but I guess riding took precedence today. So we're gonna see if this works. So I don't know. Okay, I will say I don't know if this has an off button or not. that's off. Alright. Alright. So, where's my phone? It's like a flash a light on it. God, it's about to pour down. I'm trying to do this with the garage open so it's not freaking hot. Okay. So we have a little bit of discoloration right here. Alright. That's the mid pipe. Then right here starts the headers, or that's the headers up here. That starts the lower mid pipe, whatever. But up here, it's not discolorized at all. It's just dark. I don't know if y'all can see it up there. It's kind of discolored at the headers a little bit, all the way across. Well, that one over there is turning blue. So, but we're about to see if this works or not. So, let's see. Let's turn this on a little bit. There you go. Turn all the way on. There we go. Okay. So it's getting that bluish purple color, so I think it's titanium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this for a little bit, and then I'll cut the camera back on when I get the end result. Hopefully this doesn't run out and I can get a good little bit done. Okay, so this is what we got right here. I don't know how well you guys can see this. I didn't use all the torch. I don't know how much is left, but so I got this part to change a little bit. This is more bluish purple right here in the middle, and then I got this to change a little bit. These three parts change just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. And I torch them up to the red hot. I let them cool off, and then I do it again. And it shouldn't be taking that long. So I'm gonna say it's not titanium. So that being said, I'm gonna do some research tonight after I edit this video. Once I get exporting it, I'm going to do some research, because I literally pulled up YouTube and typed in bluing your exhaust pipes or torching them or whatever, and I saw a video that I really liked. So yeah, I'm gonna research that, and then there'll be some big changes coming to the bike, because it is, man, once I get this thing that I need to make this blue, you guys are gonna really like it a lot. I'm gonna love it. It's gonna make the bike pop, bro. Like this. Oh, I can't wait. Hopefully it's not expensive, but it's gonna be dope. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Oh my goodness. I just cleaned this bike, man. I just cleaned it today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Stay tuned. Follow me on TikTok. It's BushV2. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but all I can say is stay tuned. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.